So I ended up getting the Sutro sunglasses from Oakley. Now, they already come in a bunch of different pre-made options. However, I decided to go the custom route. So for a lot of the main or more popular styles, they do offer a custom option. It's something that you can do online or even in store. Keep in mind if you opt for the custom option, it is final sale, which sounds kind of scary. However, if you know what you want and you know what you like, it's a great way to kind of get something that nobody else has that's a little bit more unique, which I absolutely love, which is why I ended up doing it. Whether you're looking to do this for yourself or even a gift, be advised that this whole process takes about 7 to 14 business days. So if you're kind of creative and you want something that maybe you don't see on the shelf in front of you, or you want a type of lens, or you want a type of look, or you want to support a type of team, this is great. You can change the lenses on these guys, the front part of the frame, the temples. It really gives you a large plethora of options, which literally the sky's the limit. You can go as bold as you want, you can go as muted as you want. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch, and this is great if you're gifting this to someone, you can actually put their initials on the lens. You can put their favorite NFL team, or if they're a baseball fan, their favorite Major League Baseball team. I didn't end up doing this, but it is an option, just so you know. The Sutros are definitely classified as a sporty shield. They have really good protection from the sun, just given their size. Now, I got this for kind of everyday use, but I think these would be kind of cool to use for snowboarding. Haven't done it yet, but they kind of remind me of snowboarding goggles, so there's that. Being that these guys are shields, they never come with the front measurements, so I brought out my handy dandy ruler, and these guys measure about, I don't know, a little around 6 inches from temple to temple, and then the actual temples are about around 5 inches long. And this is what they look like on me.